Look 10 years younger instantly. Razor-cut textured short shag. Perfect for fine hair, adding instant crown volume and sharp cheekbone definition. Classic wolf shag with curtain bangs. Ideal for softening jawlines and creating a dynamic, full-bodied look for thick hair. Voluminous curly shag with wispy fringe. Great for embracing natural curl bounce while lifting the facial structure gracefully. Soft feathered collarbone shag. Balances long necklines and provides low-maintenance fullness for everyday ease. Edgy choppy pixie shag. Accentuates eyes and cheekbones. Perfect for busy women wanting effortless styling. Which number is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Shaggy French bob with micro bangs. Draws immediate focus upward, giving a playful youthful frame to petite facial profiles. Medium shag with piecey face framing layers. Hides forehead lines softly and draws eyes toward the lips, boosting symmetry. Long layered shag with full Bardot fringe. Adds major density to thinning long locks without sacrificing dramatic length. Tapered shaggy mullet. Elongates rounded face contours while adding a bold, modern attitude to everyday looks. Shaggy Lob with side-swept bangs. Softens square jawlines naturally and gives an elegant, professional shoulder-grazing frame. Bixie shag with feathered nape. Blends short crop lightness with bob versatility, flattering mature necklines. Which style wins your vote? Comment below. Beach wave shag with center part. Creates relaxed movement and camouflages thinning temples with effortless boho charm. Curly shaggy pixie with high crown volume. Instantly elongates shorter facial proportions by maximizing height on top. Wispy shag with flippy retro ends. Provides playful 70s nostalgia, while expanding narrow jawlines with winged flicks. Shaggy Asymmetrical Bob. Diverts attention from fine lines, adding modern structural flair to oval faces. Textured shag with bottleneck bangs. Draws focus to the eyes and creates an instant lifting illusion across the cheekbones. Messy shag for silver waves. Celebrates natural gray texture while eliminating flatness at the crown and sides. Long shag with choppy microlayers. Takes weight off heavy hair while keeping feminine length breezy and movement packed. Jawline shag with side part. Sharpens softer chin profiles and adds effortless modern elegance to daily outfits. Shaggy French crop with razored fringe. A bold anti-aging crop that opens up the neck and demands zero styling time. Don't forget to tell us your favorite number in the comments.